Let's make an adorable Easter garland using just strips of paper and staples. I made a carrot, a rabbit, and a chick. You can make them all alternating or just use the one you like. Check them out, they're so adorable, a perfect way to decorate. Let's weave a basket. First, I cut the top off a paper cup and then separate it into strips. I started to wrap some twine around the base, alternating front and back around the strips of the paper cup. I changed the tension to make it tighter as I got higher to make it a bowl shape. Then I added strips of glue where the twine intercepted to make it hold its shape. Then I cut the strips of cup, removed them, and there we go, it's really starting to take shape. The last step is to wrap twine around the top of the cup for the handle. I filled mine with some Easter grass and Easter eggs, and there you have it. How adorable! A perfect Easter basket. I took a chocolate Easter egg and put it inside a balloon. Drop it down to the bottom, wrapped an elastic around it, and then flip the balloon inside out. When you blow up the balloon, you have a wobble balloon that doesn't tip over. You can decorate it with all of your rabbit designs. I put rabbit ears, a little cotton nuzzle, some silly teeth and some pipe cleaner whiskers, and look at that, an adorable wobble Easter bunny. Start by cutting 2 donut-shaped circles out of cardboard. Place the cardboard rings together and wrap yarn around them over and over. Keep wrapping until the middle hole is almost filled up. The more you wrap, the fluffier the pom-pom will be. Take a sharp pair of scissors and carefully slide them between the 2 cardboard rings. Start cutting the wrapped yarn all the way around. Be gentle so it doesn't fall apart. Once all of the yarn is cut, take a long piece of yarn and slide it between the 2 cardboard rings. Pull it tight and tie a knot to hold the strands together. Then gently remove the cardboard and trim off any long pieces to make it nice and round. This is my favorite part. You get to keep trimming and cutting until you have the perfect pom-pom shape. It's like playing hairdresser for your chick. Now you have a cute fluffy pom-pom, perfect for making our adorable yellow pom-pom chick. We can cut out some little cardboard feet, beak, and some eyes, and look at this adorable guy. Yay! Too sweet. Happy Easter! Friends, you need to make this one with me. It's too adorable.